Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, we're going to be checking out my car. It's a 2001 Mitsubishi Mirage 4G15. It doesn't run right, and I'll show you guys what I mean by that. And then I'll tell you guys what I did to it. Well, I'll tell you guys what I did to it first. So first, I got it from my friend's dad. It's been sitting for a couple years, and then I drove it home, and it was doing good. And then I drove it for a little longer, and then it died at a light one time, and it just wasn't idling right at all, like really bad. Anyway, so after that happened, I ordered some stuff for it. I changed the distributor, I changed the spark plug wires, I changed the fuel pump to a bigger one because I'm going to turbo the car once I get it fixed. Yeah, so it ran better after I put the bigger fuel pump in it, but obviously it's running rich, which, yeah. So yeah, that, I cut the muffler off and all that, which doesn't matter. Yeah, distributor. I did change the injectors, but then I put them back to the old ones because it was running way too rich. I installed a RPM gauge. This is my second RPM gauge, and then I also installed a boost gauge, which just shows vacuum. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Obviously, it takes a couple. Oh yeah, and I have a fuel pressure regulator. So, yeah. I don't know if it'll show it on camera, but the RPM will go like up and down a little bit. It's running better now, but you can probably see it move. And the boost gauge is at it's at 25, 26. It goes up and down. Oh yeah, I'll tell you guys what it does. So it'll not idle right, and it'll sputter when you give it gas. So I'll show you guys that too. I'm gonna go on the drive so I can show you guys the other stuff too. So when you're at like 4,000 RPMs and you give it gas, it'll like struggle. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Yeah. It doesn't run right. Here, I'll show you guys when you rev it. You guys can see the RPM. It like bounces down and it pops too. I don't know why. I think it's popping because it's running rich, but yeah, it doesn't want to run right. So I'll pop the hood and I'll show you guys. So I did change, or I didn't change. I cleaned out the EGR, the evap solenoid, or the evap, yeah, evap solenoid is clicking. Yeah, so the evap solenoid's clicking. Here, you guys can see it is shaky, which is what it always does. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong. I changed the distributor, spark plug wires, spark plugs. I got it a new fuel pressure regulator. I didn't change. I cleaned out all the vacuum hoses. Yeah, I don't know. I have no clue what's wrong. I need to fix it. Oh, I changed the PCV valve. Yeah, so you guys can see it's shaking. And then clicking. Sometimes there's like a clicking down there, but it goes away, so I don't know what it is. All the engine mounts are fucked, which makes sense. Yeah, let's go on the miniature drive. So I'll come back when I, oh wait, no, here, let me do the exhaust part. So yeah, it's hanging down, but I'm gonna fix that. It doesn't sound right if you guys can hear it. So yeah, let's go on a little drive. I'll come back when I'm at a straight part. So I'm going to attempt to record this, because I only have two hands and I'm in a manual, so yeah. Here, let me turn the stupid AC off. So here, let me go up. So yeah, we're watching the RPM gauge. It goes up and down by itself when you're driving. I don't know why. I think my caps are clogged, but I'm not sure. So yeah, here, let me attempt to downshift here. Yeah, so doesn't want to go anywhere. It just sits there. going fast, but the RPM doesn't want to work. Like, it doesn't. And then, like, you'll be driving, and sometimes it'll have power, and sometimes it doesn't. This dude doesn't like me. I keep fucking flying away, and then he's coming next to me. Yeah. He probably wanted to race or something. I'm not trying to race. I'm trying to show you guys what's wrong. So here, I'll show you guys. It's easier. It works better downhill. Let me put the window down so you guys can hear it. You guys can even hear it. I don't even know. It doesn't want to move. It like doesn't, I don't know. It's not getting enough of something. I don't know what it is. So I'm gonna stop like speeding that way I don't get pulled over. But yeah. So hopefully you guys can help. I don't know. Yeah, thanks for watching. Anything would help. Thanks.